everyone, Jenny here with Sipping Streams Tea Company, and I want to wish everyone happy 2019. Kind of crazy that we're now in almost close to 2020. You know, those are things that we thought of as sci-fi videos or movies when we were kids. But anyways, I wanted to wish everyone a wonderful happy new year and a great start. And I want to introduce to you a new program that we've never offered before. It is a 5-day free Transformational Tea Challenge. And if you haven't heard of it already, you'll definitely want to sign up. I have a link on there on this post and video that you can click, sign up so you can get the emails, and so that you can also sign up for our private Sipping Streams Tea Tribe, where you'll get all the resources and live videos that you need to do your 5-day Transformational Tea Challenge. So some people have asked me, like, do I need to buy tea for it? Well, you're gonna need tea. Whether you have it from home already, whether you have it from a gift, whether you have bought it from us at Sipping Streams, you need tea. Tea is part of the challenge, but tea is more than just a beverage. In my new book, The Essence of Tea, The Transformational Journey of a Tea Connoisseur, I talk about how tea is more powerful than just being a beverage. Yes, there are many health benefits, and we will cover some of those topics, but tea is more than just a beverage. It is also full of history and culture and the way of being that transforms an individual's life. That's why it's been so powerful for thousands of years. I'll be talking briefly a little bit about the history of tea. I'll be talking about how it brings healing to relationships and communities, and how it can bring healing to the individual also. So if you have any questions at all, just let me know right away. I definitely want to cover them in our 5-day tea challenge that starts next week. So that will be Monday, January 14th through the 18th, and it will be full of fun activities and homework that you can do. And also, it will also be full of prizes that I'll be giving away too. So you definitely don't want to miss out, because this is when we have really great actionable steps to help you plan your 2019, to make it very powerful, very strong in your personal goals in life using tea. So definitely sign up if you haven't already for the Transformational Tea Challenge. Also, I am doing this all for free, so this is like a 5-day tea workshop that you're going to get personally from me every day at noon Alaska Standard Time. Yes, I will be sacrificing my lunch break along with you guys who can actually watch it at any time during the replay. So every day you're going to want to do the homework and then post it on our private group, the Sipping Streams Tea Tribe, and then you can also enter for bonus entries into our drawings. So definitely sign up today. You won't want to miss it. It will be about tea. It won't be necessarily all about the health benefits of tea, but it will coincide with the Essence of Tea, The Transformational Journey of a Tea Connoisseur. So if you haven't gotten your copy already, or you haven't read the book already, you can start reading it now. But this is essentially a workshop that goes with that book. And then you can also get it on Kindle for free if you already have a Kindle reader, or you can get it at a deeply discounted price for 99 cents. So it's going on sale right now, today, just until the start of the challenge. So if you've got 99 cents lying around somewhere, you can download the Kindle book, which you can read it on your phone, your tablet. I think you can read it on a computer too. You don't actually have to have an Amazon, electric Kindle device. So if you haven't gotten the book already, get it now. If you can't afford the book, it's okay, but the book will definitely give you a lot more details and answer questions that you might have. So we'll definitely see you next week, and if you haven't already shared it out with your friends and family, definitely let them know to join the Sipping Streams Tea Tribe group to get in on the challenge, because you won't want to miss it. It's only happening once. This is the first time we're ever doing it. and probably not offering it any other time this year. But for those of you who complete the challenges, you also get special discounts too of special events that are coming up. Special exclusive discounts that are only for the people in the Sipping Streams Tea Tribe. So don't miss out, and we'll see you in the group. Thanks!